Hi, this is Vinayak
And this is Priya.
and we are from SNH Dance Company.
Yes, and we are making a tutorial video of some illegal weapon. Let's start. हम करेंगे जलेबी बेबी एक्ट का थर्ड सॉन्ग. So basically, this is the third song where girls and boys are performing. So this is a face-off song. First हम ये गाने के स्टार्ट में कर रहे हैं जलेबी बेबी, which is all the girls are doing and boys are doing from right side. And then boys आते हैं, मिर्ची सॉन्ग करते हैं. मिर्ची सॉन्ग जब एंड होता है and then illegal weapon starts, हम सारी गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज जिन्होंने एग्जिट किया था फर्स्ट सॉन्ग में, हम एंटर करेंगे और एंटर करके गर्ल्स ये साइड राइट साइड रुकेंगी स्टेज के एंड बॉयज रुकेंगे लेफ्ट साइड में. इट विल बी अ फेस ऑफ चैलेंज काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग. सो हम इसकी ट्यूटोरियल स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट.
या सो पहले गर्ल्स का स्टेप है.
Yeah.
So boys will be like holding this position and with the hands resting.
Yeah, and girls, when you start, we are here. Like first music start होगा, हम enter करेंगे, and then we'll hold a pose for at least 2 to 3 seconds, and then हम choreography start करेंगे, which is we'll cross the right leg to left, which is this. Okay, and hand goes wave and wave. So basically ये दोनों एक साथ करेंगे 1 and 2. So हम दो बार टैप करेंगे पैर को, हमारे राइट लेग को टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट and hand goes 1 and 2. We'll do both the step together. 1, 2. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side, which is right. We'll go 1 and 2. So let's do it both the step together. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So after this, we are facing towards right. We'll move to left, and next step is हम सिर्फ हाथ घुमाएंगे 1 and 2. Basically it's a circle we are forming. हम जाएंगे circle में and then circle. This is the hand movement and leg movement goes inside and inside. It's a reverse cycling. Okay, 5, 6, 7. ये हम एक साथ करेंगे दोनों hand and leg movement, which is 1 and 2. Okay, so when you do this step, you give a little hop, which is 1 and 2. ठीक है, और इसके बाद हम करेंगे बॉयज को पॉइंट. ओके, तो हम ये दोनों स्टेप को मिक्स करके एक बार एक साथ करेंगे. 5, 6, 7. गो 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2. Point. Point means now it's your turn to dance. Okay, so अब हम जैसे पॉइंट कर रहे हैं, बॉयज विल डू.
गर्ल्स पॉइंट कर रही है तब बॉयज को एक जंप लेके ऐसे खड़े होना है. ओके, सो एक जंप लेके लेग्स टुगेदर एंड हैंड्स आर लाइक दिस रेस्टिंग. ओके, उसके बाद हमको राइट लेग साइड में रखना है और एट द सेम टाइम आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड होगा. ओके, तो ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड होगा और राइट लेग अपना अपार्ट हुआ. उसके बाद लेग्स टुगेदर एंड बोथ द हैंड्स लाइक दिस वाइड ओपन. ओके, उसके बाद सेम रिवर्स में होगा. सो राइट हैंड लेफ्ट लेग and legs together and hands are wide open. So we'll do together 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that आपको राइट लेग ओपन करना है, एट द सेम टाइम आपको हैंड्स क्रॉस करना है. उसके बाद राइट साइड ओपन होना है लाइक दिस एंड क्रॉस, एंड लेफ्ट साइड ओपन होना है लाइक दिस. ओके, इट शुड बी एंगुलर. सो ये ऐसा 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए फॉर्म, और ये स्ट्रेट होगा लेफ्ट हैंड, और सेम टाइम लेफ्ट हैंड 90 डिग्री क्रॉस एंड राइट हैंड स्ट्रेट होगा, और आपके हैंड्स फिश्ड होंगे लाइक दिस, मुट्ठी. ओके, वन मोर टाइम विल डू टुगेदर. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, इसके बाद है you have to hit both the hands towards your left and square. स्क्वाट पोजीशन. ओके, स्क्वाट पोजीशन ये हिट करना है फ्रॉम हियर 5 6 7 8 1. आफ्टर दैट straight and pointing towards girls. Okay, one more time we'll do it all stay together. Boys का जब girls ने point किया, we are taking jump together. After that 1 2 3 4 cross open and 1 straight point. Okay,
Let's do it on sound then. Let's go. First block and then they did the second. Now we'll start with the lyrics part. Okay, so we pointed here, this is the last step. Okay, so यहाँ से हम जाएंगे एक leg आगे and then right leg goes back. So यहाँ से हम जाएंगे सिर्फ right front, right back. Now the hand goes with the legs up. ये हमने शिफ्ट किया टू द चेस्ट लेवल एंड देन यहाँ से हम घुमाएंगे एंड विल पॉइंट टू द स्काई एंड विल गिव अ लुक टू द हैंड्स. ओके, 5. नाउ वी आर हियर. 5 6 7 गो. 1 and 2. From here we'll go 3 and point. Once again 5 6. We are here. 5 6 7 go. 1 and 2 and 3 and point. Okay, so हम जब आगे जाते हैं we have to go on squat. Squat position, hands chest level, then घुमा के पीछे लिया to the sky, pointing to the sky, looking at your hands and then front and then point. When we go on point, the boy starts. We'll do together. 5 6 7 go. 1 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, when we do 4, the boys also take the same beat. They join the leg as below, like as mentioned earlier. Okay, so we stand here like this.
So after pointing her on the same beat, we are going again together, jumping and legs together. After that we are taking right forward and call like this. Okay, one more time towards your chest, like 1 2 and to the left 3 4. Okay, one more time we'll do. Let's jump together. Right 1 2. Now left 1 2. Okay, one more time together. 5 6 7 8 1 1 2 3 4. After that we are just rolling our hand like this. Right hand goes over your head, coming down, and left hand goes over your head and coming down, and just give a look to the girls. After that, okay, we are doing it together. One more time. 5 6 7 8 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 look. Okay, we'll do it on sound now.
The second step, we are here, ending the step. Now boys end up looking at us. After this, we move to right, left and right. We're just stepping and point. So when we point, when we take the step back, step in front with the right leg, we go, the hand goes 1. Okay, when we go 1, the neck also goes. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 and pose. So when we pose, the boys starts. Okay, but we'll do once full out. 5 6 7 go. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3 pose. Okay, 5. Now from here boys also do their step, which is
5, 6, 7, 8. Boys will cross their leg and lifting right leg, okay, like this, and at the same time your hands roll in between. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and placing your leg to your right, and now left leg lift, and same thing with the hands. Okay, rolling your hands. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg and rolling both the hands, keeping right leg apart, and then left leg and rolling with the hands. We'll do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, we both are doing same step together. Okay.
Yeah.
So
we'll go heel touch, fist to your chest level, then we go again and stop. So when we end up here, the boys end up here. Boys end up where? Okay. Boys end up looking at us. We both go together. We are first doing left hand, right leg, heel touch, back one, okay? And then do the other side. And then we go slide to the opposite direction, and the upper hand, which is right for the girls and left for the boys, goes up on shoulder, and the left hand and boys ka right hand goes to your belly portion. Okay, so here we go a hold. Okay, so we'll go together again.
roll, side, roll, side. Together now with the girls.
1, 2, 3, 4. Slide to your opposite direction and hit. Hit, that means you're sliding smoothly and then a jerk. Jerk, and you're bending little bit down. So we'll go with the music. 1. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's move on to the next step.
So basically this is last part of the song. So this is going to be a signature step.
We end up here.
So we end up here. From here we go 1, 2, 3. We just want to walk. We're just going to walk these steps toward boys. So we are here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3. From 3 we're gonna shoot them twice. 1, 2. And boys go
1,
back,
2.
back, back. Okay? Once again. 5, 6, 7. Drop. मुंडिया न सूली उते टंगी रखदा वे मेरा. From here we go inside, inside, wave, wave. Okay, so we are holding the hands like this, like shoot, gun. Okay, gun. So we go, girls shoot the boys. 1, 2. From here, girls are holding the hands as same, and we just go inside and out, inside and out. Okay, when we go inside, your right leg, which is back side, bends a little. 1 and 2 and. Okay, and go.
Boys का left leg bend होगा. Look at this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. This is a bit fast, so we go fast. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2. Okay, from here we end up to the shoulder level. We go wave inside and wave inside. The guns, the hands are going only down and down. No wave movement is happening with the hand, just a body wave and wave. 2 waves and the hand goes down, 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 down. Okay, we do this step together. Go. मुंडिया ने सूली उत्ते टंगी रखी दावे मेरा नखराए तीखी तलवार वर्गा. From here we go opposite direction. As we are facing the boys, we'll go opposite direction from the boys. We go 1 and back. When we go 1, we are taking the right leg out and boys are taking
left leg out.
yes, and we are just pointing from the head, like above the head. We are just going to go 1 and back.
Boys are taking right hand with the left leg
Yes.
and legs together.
Yes, and then we go the other side the same 1 and back. So we do on the counts 5, 6, 7 go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll join from here 5, 6, 7 go and मुंडिया ने सूली उते टंगी रखे दावे मेरा नखरा तीखी तलवार वरेगा मुंडिया ने सूली उते टंगी रखे दावे. From here we go the same step as signature. We are joining the legs. We have joined the legs in previous step. So we'll just open the leg and go same hand position, same hand step and go back. Now the second time there is only one wave. Okay, go 1 and again 2 times short. Thak thak. While the boys are doing
Chest pop. Boys are doing chest pop like this.
1
and
2.
2. Little loud like 1 and 2.
2. Okay, the chest they are taking is out and out. And the girls are going 1, 2. We are shooting them. Thak, thak. Okay, we'll go all together now. 5, 6, 7, 8 and मुंडिया ने सूली उते टंगी रखी दावे मेरा नखरा है तीखी तलवार वरेगा. Point and point and नखरा है तीखी तलवार वरेगा and. From here we gonna face each other and we'll give a challenging face, attitude face. We'll go round, 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 round. We're gonna walk 8 times, 8 steps from your position to the boys' position and you'll swap the position. Okay, the whole girls gang should shift to your left and the whole boys gang will shift to the right from behind. Girls are moving from front, boys are moving from back. Okay, so when they shift, when they come to your position, face each other. Now open the legs. This goes out hand, in hand, out hand, in hand. Okay, so this is going to be 4 times. 5. Again, we shifted from there. Go 5, 6, 7. And now when we shift together, we have to give constant look to the boys. Very attitudely, very like sassy look you have to give. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here we go front and front and front and thak, thak. Okay, this last 2 beats which is very prominent. So we're gonna do the punch step but looking opposite to the boys and then thak, look to the boys as if you're gonna punch them. Okay, so
Boys are taking right hand while punching and girls are taking left hand and looking opposite.
Okay, so we are going to look opposite to the boys and then look. Nothing is changing, no hand movement, no leg movement, only your look changes to the boys. Okay, so basically we'll go from here till the last pose. Okay? मुंडिया ने सूले उते टंगी रखे दावे मेरा नखरा है तीखी तलवार वरेगा. मुंडिया ने सूले उते टंगी रखे दावे नखरा है तीखी तलवार वरेगा. And ta ta na 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 ta na 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 tha tha. We are done with the choreography part. We are done with the signature step. अब हम पूरी कोरियोग्राफी सॉन्ग के साथ करेंगे.
From the beginning till the end.
Yes, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
ਤੇ ਤੰਗੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਦੇਖੀ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮਰ